Great day everyone! Today I'm going to have a tutorial regarding the Zoom, okay? How to use our Zoom by sharing the link through Messenger, okay? So that we know how to operate every time we have our training or meeting using the Zoom, okay? So let's go to our Zoom app. Ayan, we have to click the Zoom app. If you notice, there's a new meeting, join, schedule, and share screen. Now, this is my own account, okay? So, if you're going to do a meeting or a training, you will use the new meeting. But, assuming I'm going to attend a training of Surgeon Jan ko, so I'm just going to click the join. So, magjo-join lang po ako. And then, there's a meeting ID and there's a cursor na down, okay, down arrow. Yan po ay mga previous meetings na inatenan ko. So I'm going to click this one. Yan, makikita ninyo, nandyan po yung mga ID na mga inaatenan kong Zoom. But before that, okay, if you can see, there's a name, yung pangalan ko nandyan. You can, sa mga bago pa lang, halimbawa, hindi nyo nakikitaan na may name dyan, there you can type your name, okay? So the usual, I type Amazing Victorious Maria Jacil Cordero. So hindi ko na siya tinatype kasi naka-memory na kasi itong lahat na ginagamitan ko dito sa ating tawag ito keyboard ng ating cellphone. So, ayan, nakita nyo meron ng name and then I'm going to attend, let's say the DVN. Okay, i-click natin ang DVN at maghingi and then join and then hihingi po yan ng password. Okay, so ang password po natin is only DVN. Tatlo lang, then i-okay natin. So, papasok na po tayo sa Zoom. Okay? And then, if you notice, I'm the only participant here. Kasi nga, sample lang ito. Then, I want you to know also how to use the Zoom while ongoing ang Zoom. Or not chat pa. Kasi may mga speakers, hindi pa po nag-start, meron po silang music na pinapiplay. Okay? So, meron kayo makita dyan, Wi-Fi or circular data. You have to click that so that you will hear the music na piniplay ng ating speaker. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin yan, nakamute po tayo. So, whatever music na maririnig natin dyan, malalaman ninyo na good yung audio natin. Okay? So, i-click natin ulit kahit saan lang dito sa screen para makita yung mga icon. Makita nyo may participant. Okay? Unmute, start video, participant, chat. Etong reaction, kapag halimbawa gusto nyo mag-question, just raise your hand. Ayan. And then, balikan nyo lang yan. I-click nyo lang yan ulit and then ika-cancel lang, ilo-lower hand, ayan. So, yan, if ever may mga tanong kayo or question kayo, so eto po yan, mag-a-unmute lang po tayo, i-click natin po yung microphone, okay? So, pag once na magsalita po tayo dyan, maririnig po tayo ng lahat at ng speaker natin. Pag natapos na rin po tayong magsasalita, okay, i-click natin ang mute para po hindi maririnig yung surroundings nga, anong ingay ng ating surroundings, hindi maririnig ng lahat at ng speaker, okay? At hindi tayo makakadistorbo. Now, ito namang start video, kapag halimbawa you are going to open your camera, ayan, i-click lang yung start video para makipag-usap po tayo or may tanong, okay, or may i-address tayo. So, pag natapos na po kayo, you have to click again the stop video para mawawala na po yung picture ninyo doon or yung inyong tsura, okay? Now, how are we going to share the link? Madaling-madali lang po. You have to click the participants, nakalagay dyan. So, ako lang mag-isa. I-click po natin yan, okay? If you can see, nandun na yung pangalan ko kasi from the start, I already typed the name with my team name, okay? Then, kung halimbawa hindi kayo nakapag-change ng name, lalabas po diyan kung anong gadget ninyo, lalabas po Oppo, iPhone, ano pa ba, Samsung at kung ano-ano pang meron ginagamit natin na cellphone, okay? Pag hindi nyo po na-change yung name from the very start, pwede nyo pong i-click itong name na Maria Amazing Victorious. Kung gusto nyo i-rename, just click the rename. So, this is the time, i-ano na ninyo, halimbawa, ayan, tanggalin ko yung amazing kasi victorious lang. Okay, yun. So, pwedeng gano'n ang pagpalit or doon na ninyo ita-type yung inyong pangalan. Then, you have to put okay na, okay? Then, to click the okay. And then, to share the link, at the button on the left side, okay? Meron po tayong, sa bottom po, sa left side, meron tayong invite na nakikita natin. I-click natin yung invite. Then, makita ninyo, may mga icon dyan. So, we have to share it through our messenger. So, you have to click the messenger. Yan. So, example lang, no? Isi-send ko na lang sa pangalan ko para hindi naman magtaka yung nasendan ko na pag-open niya ng link, wala pong tao, ako lang. Okay? So, isi-send ko kunwari sa pangalan ko. Ayan. So, ando na siya. So, tignan ko ngayon sa messenger kung na-receive ko nga ba talaga siya. Ayan. So, ayun, nakita nyo na. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko, since ako yung, let's say, prospect, ako yung mag-o-open ngayon, ang prospect ngayon mag-o-open na, yung sinanda ninyo na prospect ang mag-o-open na yung ngayon ng link, galing mismo sa Zoom. So, I'm going to click the link. Papasok po ako doon sa Zoom. So, i-continue natin. Ayan. So, naka-name na po, no, na may pangalan ko na dahil nga yun yung example natin kanina, ginawa ko na yung pangalan, okay? So, ayun, ganun lang po share ng link sa ating dashboard sa ating Zoom account, okay? Kung meron kayong mga gustong itatanong, you can use the chat box, okay? Itatype niyo dito mismo sa tap here to chat or tap the message to reply, ganun lang. So, balik tayo. So, ayan. So, alam niyo na ha, paano gagamitin yung mute, unmute, okay? And then, paano mag-open ng cam, and paano ibalik ang pag-close ng cam. At paano yung link? Ulitin ko, just click the participant, and then go to the bottom line on the left side, and then click the invite, then just click the messenger. So, that's it. Ganun lang po. Okay? Now, you have to leave. Kung halimbawa gusto nyo nang mag-leave kasi meron kayong aatinan na other a Zoom meeting or training, you have to click the leave. Kailangan po ninyo i-click yan kasi hindi po kayo makaka-open ulit ng another link because your Zoom still open. So, you have to leave from the meeting, let's say DVN, kasi kailangan nyo pang mag-open ng another link para doon sa kay Sir Jan sa start fast. Okay? Or ano yun? Faster start ba yun? Fast start. Ayun, fast start. So, yun po yun. So, ganun po ang pag-share ng ating link. So, at least now, you know how to operate because I already explained how to rename or how to put your name first, then how to close and open the camera and unmute and mute. Okay? And the most important is to how are you going to share the link. So yun po yun. So sana po ay mayroon po kayong natutunan, marami kayong natutunan because we have to do this because this is one way of our doing the business, online business of our for life business. Okay? Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Enjoy. God bless you.